You wake up. Check your phone. Your bank balance says $1 million. For a few seconds, you just stare at the screen. Then you look around your room. Same bed. Same ceiling. Same coffee mug. You're a millionaire. And absolutely nothing looks different. That's the strange part. The first thing that changes isn't your lifestyle. It's your brain. Suddenly, every decision feels bigger. Do you quit your job? Buy a house? Get a new car? Invest it? Or just leave the money sitting there while you figure things out? And then comes the part nobody imagines. You realize that having $1 million doesn't mean you have $1 million to casually spend. If that money is sitting in a bank, for example, FDIC insurance generally covers up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each ownership category. So suddenly, words you never cared about before, like diversification, insurance, taxes, and investment risk, start sounding very important. Then your phone starts getting interesting. A friend texts, "Bro, remember that business idea I told you about?" A relative suddenly has an investment opportunity. Someone asks if you can just help out with a little money. And now you discover something uncomfortable. $1 million doesn't just give you more choices. It gives you more ways to make expensive mistakes. So you slow down. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" you start asking, "What happens if I buy this?" A $70,000 car isn't just a $70,000 decision anymore. It's also the money that could have stayed invested. The house isn't just a house. It's taxes, maintenance, insurance, and years of expenses. And that's when the real transformation happens. You stop thinking about the million as money to spend and start seeing it as money that can give you options. You don't have to quit tomorrow. You don't have to buy everything you've ever wanted. You don't even have to tell everyone. Because the biggest change isn't that you suddenly look rich. It's that, for the first time, your money can start buying something much more valuable than stuff. Freedom of choice. And 24 hours later, your room might look exactly the same. But the way you see your future could be completely different. The million didn't change your life overnight. It changed the number of choices you have tomorrow.